नहीं अगले ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे तक का टाइम आ गया ना तो साथ में
अभी इस हफ्ते तक देखते हैं, थर्सडे फ्राइडे तक। उसने कहा है कि हो जाएगा। उसने इस हफ्ते का टाइम लिया है।
Just give us another 2 more minutes. We'll start. People are joining. Just give us 1 more minute, 1 or 2 more minutes. We'll start.
इसको इधर करो क्या बेटा? अरे कर लेता हूँ, माइक बंद होता।
Go ahead, Krishna. It's almost time. Go
Okay.
ahead. Yeah.
Hello all. Very good morning to everyone. Welcome to FiboMaster, Master the Markets by Prem Sir. Today we are again here for the weekly stock selection for the upcoming week, that is from 15th of January to 19th of January. Today we are focusing on Alembic Pharma, Bikaji Foods, DB Corp, DCX System, FDC, Nuvama Wealth, ONGC, PDL, PDSL, and Sanghi Industry and SCI. Now I would like to share them on our trading view. See, this is our first script of the day, that is Alembic Pharma. Basically, in the last week itself, it gives us an entry and our members have traded this. Still, we are having a higher targets in this script and script looks promising to us. So if it comes near to 850 levels, we are again in a trade, or if it gives a breakout above 890, we are in a trade. In this case, we are keeping our first target as 902, 923, 953, 950, and our final target will be till 1016. This is our first script of the day. Then the next one is Bikaji Foods, another breakout soon candidate for this week. So we are planning to have an entry in this script above yesterday's high, that is 593, for the immediate target of 609, 626, 633, and 644. The next script is DB Corp. Basically, in the last week itself, it entered into our accumulation zone. So if anybody wants to accumulate, they can accumulate in between this level, that is from 270 to 290 levels. Or if anybody wants to chase a breakout, they can go above 313 for the target of 330 to 337, 346, and 362. Another script is DCX System or DCX India. This is also an accumulation zone. One wants to accumulate, they can accumulate in between 366 to 376. And if anybody wants to go for a breakout, they can go above 402 for the target of 416 and 455. This 455 will act as a rejection zone. So be cautious over this area. The next script is FDC, another breakout soon candidate. Here, our entry will be above 430 levels for the target of 439, 445. And once this 445 level is broken, we are expecting a target till 470 levels. The next one is Nuvama Wealth. In this script, we are only chasing breakout, and our entry will be above yesterday's high, that is about 3760. We are in a trade for the immediate target of 3830, 3980, and 4000 and 4050 levels. Next one is ONGC, another breakout soon candidate. In this, our entry will be above yesterday's high, that is about 225 for the target of 228, 231, 234, and targets are 50 levels. Another one is PDSL, breakout soon candidate. Here our entry will be above 600 for the target of 626, 640, 660, and 680 levels. Excuse me. Sanghi Industry. In the last trading session itself, it gave a huge move, but we missed this move, so we are planning to chase the breakout. And our breakout chasing will start above 147 levels for the target of 163 and 170. The last one is Shipping Corporation of India. Here we are chasing, basically this script we have traded with our members from an accumulation area, but now we are planning to chase a breakout, and our breakout entry will be above 180 levels for the target of 189, 194. This 194 level is little bit crucial. If this level is sustaining, we are expecting a target till 212 levels. These are the scripts that filtered out for this week. A quick update on the last week's filtered script. See, this is our first script, that is Credit Access Grameen. Our entry was about 1740 and our first target was 1780. It made high of 1790.75. In this case, it gives us a near about 3% return. This we gave as an accumulation and breakout entry both. Basically, this was our accumulation area. After our accumulation area, it respected our support level, and neither not our target. We are still in a trade. Phenolics industry.
Can you repeat it one more time, Krishna?
Yes, ma'am, sir. This is our script, Dalmia Bharat. Basically, we gave it as an accumulation entry and a breakout entry both. But in accumulation entry, after our accumulation entry, there is a fall. But the support level we have, it respected very beautifully our support level, and neither hit our stop loss nor our target are hit. So our trade is still active, and we are still bullish on this, and we are in the trade. The next one is Phenolics Industries or FinPipe. Here it's it's traveling over our entry point, and in this case we have captured 3% return in this because our entry was at 238 levels and it made high of 246. Still our targets are pending in this and our trade is active. Next one is here our entry was at this level, that is about near 375 levels for the target of 386 and 400. It hit our target of 400 and made high of 404. Info Edge, we gave us as both as accumulation entry and breakout entry. From accumulation entry, we have captured near about 250 points or 5% return, and still our breakout entry is pending in this. So we keep a watch on this for a breakout entry. Electra Green, this was our positional pick. Initially, we recovered this stock from the 1260 levels in the beginning of the November month. But last week, from that our first coverage, it gave us 44% return and 555 points. And from our last positional pick recommendation, it gives us near about 23% return, and near about it gave 340 points return in just a week. The next one is PCBL. It is hovering over our accumulation zone, but it doesn't give us an entry. So we are having a watch on this. Once we got our accumulation entry triggered, we will be in a trade. So this trade was inactive for this week, but we are keeping an eye because it's respecting our levels very beautifully. Next one was Poonawalla FinCorp. Our entry point was at 460 levels itself, and our target was 485 and 500, and it made high of 500. Exactly, it hit our target too. Sharda Motors. Basically, this was our accumulation entry, and on the very next day, it itself hit our first target, gives us an entry and hit our first target. Our target was 1494, and it made high of 1494, and still it's accumulating over our range. Sirca Paints. Here our entry was at this level, and our target was 449. It made high of 444. Our target was missed by 5 points in this script. Next was Sundaram Finance. It's hovering around our breakout entry, but from our accumulation area, it gives us 2 to 3%. But now we are focusing for a breakout entry. If we got any breakout entry, we will chase the breakout in this script. TRF. Our entry point was at 278. Our first target was 287, and the second one was 295. It made high of 293.95. Our target second was missed by just 1 point, but in this case, we have captured a good return. And this was the decent trade of the last week, that is Trident. It almost gives us 27% return in just 2 days. Our entry was at this level above last week's high, that is 41.60, and our target one was 44, 46, 50, and 52, and it made high of 52.90. All our targets met, and still we are bullish on this script. If we got another opportunity to trade, we will be trading this script, as our positional target is near about 57.50. These are just an update of the scripts that we had shared last week. Now this is the weekly performance that we have delivered. This week we have delivered 7% average return on our swing stocks and 20% return on our positional pick. Out of which Credit Access Grameen gives us 3% return, FinPipes gives us 3%, IPL 8%, Naukri from accumulation zone gives us 5%, Poonawalla FinCorp 6%, Sirca 2%, Sharda Motors on the very next day itself gives us 8%, Sundaram Finance 2%, TRF 6%, Trident 27%, and Olectra 23%. Now it's a time for a weekly learning. It's it's a thing like that learn from your mistakes and earn from your learning. If you are learning from your mistakes, so it's very simple that you can learn from earn from your learnings. Every mistake makes you learn something new. And a big winning trade that we are capturing is not just by chance or a luck. Setup every day that is rewarding us very big on an ordinary days. This is the hard fact that FiboMaster wants every new trader to understand, that losing money is acceptable, because once you lose your money, you can earn it again. But the day you lose your confidence, you lose as a trader. So don't ever lose your confidence. So for making your confidence boost, you need to improve your analysis and execution part. So execution and analysis once started improving, your confidence will start building itself. It's better to earn a smaller profits, but consistently, if you are earning smaller profits, that will become a huge wealth, in future. But when you are making bigger profits and bigger loss, that will make you overall making a limited profit, but that will make you emotionally exhausted, as it will destroy your confidence. Then this is the realistic fact, that is, keep learning and keep growing. There is no shortcut in acquiring skills. You have to practice a lot, and you have to give your dedication for your work. These are the 6 pillars of trading, that are fundamental analysis, technical analysis, risk management, trading plan, entry exit strategies, and strong mindset. Most of the traders just focuses on the first 2 pillars, and rest they are ignoring. But beautiful trader can be transformed into a trader can be transformed into a beautiful trader if he follows all the 6 pillars. This is our positional pick for the week, that is GIC Housing Finance. This company is basically related to housing finance sector, having a market cap of near about 1200 crores, having ROE of 13.1% and ROC of 8.69%. This script one can accumulate over the range of 210 to 240. Our immediate targets we are expecting in this script is near about 258, 286. And our positional targets we are expecting at near about 310 and 400. Now I just want to show you it on a chart. See, there was a fall. Now it's started its upward journey. So basically, this is our accumulation zone. It started, and from this, if anybody is starting accumulation, there is a decent return positionally expected. The first return expected is near about 45%, and if it is a long-term pick, someone is uh, taking. So positionally, 70% near about return is expected. Our entry or an accumulation zone start in between this 210 to 240 levels. Immediate target we are expecting 258, 286, 330. And if these levels are sustaining, these targets are already there. Thank you for your time. And if anybody wants to contact us they can contact us on the specified details. Thank you very much for your valuable time. If any queries, so please let us know, so we will help you.
Give me some time. Okay. People were asking, is there any questions that you guys have for us? Let us know. So we are happy to help. I have a sore throat today, so please don't mistake me. My voice will be very bad today. Okay. Okay. Give me a minute. People were asking me on on a couple of things. Yeah. I just bringing up my system. Okay, just a minute. Okay. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so okay, so people were asking me on Nifty. Okay, Nifty on a weekly on a monthly basis, it has taken a support at 2166. So this is a monthly level support where until this red line like 21301 or this can get a support. This is the maximum support for Nifty will be there. And it took and then for a long side, right? Alongside this red line 21589 will be your massive support. Otherwise, it'll be start selling. But those selling is there, we have immediate support will be there. But this green line is an important line where that line will tell us a target. So that line gave a target of somewhere here. This is the first target. It already met the first target. So now it's moving to the next target is 22075. We can see Nifty hitting to 2075 in coming days. After that, it can hit somewhere around 22,333. So this is the maximum that it can go for this month. I don't think the Nifty can go beyond that. So that is a maximum level it can go. But the immediate target is 22,076. Okay, not more than that. Just first target, look out for this target. If it crosses from there, then you will see 22334 at least. Try to book your profit somewhere around 227,471 onwards. Okay. um, so you want Usha Martin? Okay, let me say Usha Martin. Usha Martin. Usha Martin gave a long, it gave a long somewhere here. I'll show you. It gave a long entry here. So this is a long entry. Until 240, until 312, you can hold Usha Martin. Okay. We have a target of 3350. 3350 for Usha Martin. Usha Martin will hit 3350. Once it hit 3350, we get a target of 3475 and then 3660. So these three are the targets for Usha Martin for this month alone. So as long as it's not breaking 312, you can still hold. You can hold Usha Martin for a target of 3350, 3479 and 3660. So this is what you need to have. Is my trip. Is my trip. Is my trip is also on a rampage. It is going on a long side. It hit all the targets of mine. Okay. So if maybe the next target is on the way, try to see whether it is getting support at 48.70. Okay. If it's getting support at 48.70, be long. Otherwise, exit because we get something. We get somewhere around 44.80 again. You can buy from there, or you can get at 41.95. Unless this 48.70 is broken, you can hold. If it's getting support and taking away for like 40, if you see 48.80 again, you can still buy for a bigger target. So that's what is there for EastMeister. Not more than that. Okay. Anybody has any other doubts, any other clarification can ask. Hi, Dhruv. Tell me, what shall I do? Yeah, Dhruv, tell me. We are waiting for your message. Yeah, Ajis, you can talk. Holding Concord at 925. Now, Concord is this. It gave a buy around 864 is a buying level. Okay, for this month. So this month gave a buy around 864 levels, and it had a target of 951. It came almost till 932, and then it started to move down. Okay, say this was a pattern for previous thing, right? It came down to the buying level and then it started to move up. So this buying levels are so important, where you can buy it around that particular area for again target of 903. And if it cross 903, we can see 951. So container crop is still on the upper side, so you can still start buying it. Okay, as long as it crossed 903, we can see 951. Keep it. We can get you get your 923 soon. If it cross 903, you'll get, because it will go up. 903 cross, it will be moving like very fast. So don't worry. But 5 lots of Concord is too bad. Okay, but you should have booked it somewhere. But as per the structure is concerned, this stock is bullish, so you can have it. Okay. Confin Petrol. Confin Petrol. Okay. I think it'll come down to somewhere around 88.50. Yeah. So if it gets support at 90.550 and then if it moves above 92, then you can go long. You can see 96, 98. But as long as 89 is intact, okay, the stock you can hold. Okay, this stock is on hold. It gave a buy around 93.50 and then started to fall down, but still the upper target is still pending. So it can come to that particular level. Or if it's 99.97, you have to book your profits. Any other question that you have?
Prem sir, can I talk, sir?
Yeah, sir, you can talk.
Good morning, Prem sir.
Yes, sir.
Prem sir, I've been seeing your Telegram channels that you have made some indicators and you are conducting some course for, I don't know, 3 months or 6 months, something like that.
Okay.
So, is it possible that we can get some idea that what type of indicators you have developed and what is the course, what is the study material which you are giving to the students? Just an idea that what we will get in that course.
Okay. Yes, I have a sore throat today. Okay. There are students of mine there in the call. Can someone help me in talking to can someone help me what I give to the students? Can
Yeah,
someone
thank you, sir.
Yeah. Can someone come up and talk on behalf of me, please? I have a terrible throat today. Otherwise, I'll be talking. Who can talk?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, Saujanya, go ahead.
Yeah, hi guys. This is Saujanya from FiboMasters. I have been joined this one almost when started this.
FiboMasters.
Frankly speaking, yes.
Yeah.
And here we'll be getting whatever the indicators developed by Prince sir. We will not get these indicators not from many outside. These are especially designed by our mentor, Prince sir. You will not get these indicators anywhere else, and you will be getting support for lifetime like thing. Means in the future, if sir keep on developing new things in the market. So whatever the new things developed, sir will be teaching us, and we are not going to pay any more money for the new things. Whatever you pay first, you will be getting, and you will be getting the means these video recording throughout your life. You can watch them. There is no particular time, and we'll stop the recording. You can watch them whenever you want for your repetition of.
So it just basically what she is telling us. So when you join us, so the amount that you're paying, right? That will be the final amount. That will be the final amount that you're going to pay. So you're not going to pay for the rest of your life. Okay. So that's the first thing that we gave the promise that whenever you join us, it's a lifetime journey. It's not a single journey from us. So what we do is we trained you from the beginning till the end. So if at least you should know how to buy and sell a stock. What is a candlestick? If you know that itself, right? You can come and join us where we can help you on from the start to the beginning, like how the market works, where the market people will be coming, where the people will be selling, what are the information that is available for the user, right? The institutional players, where the people will be selling. Those information will be available for the people, okay? Sorry, someone was disturbing, I couldn't speak. Okay, so what really happens is in the market, the institutional players will play a different ball game. Okay, they have a different levels. Though the retail players like us, we don't know where the levels are, where these institutional players will come and act. They will not allow us to see the presence, where they will be coming for buying, where they will be coming for selling. They will not tell us any clue. Okay, so what I did is I did a research on all the things and I developed such a system that wherever these institutional players will come and buy the system, right? Where if it's going for a big selling, we have a level from there, this will reverse. So that kind of a teaching that we'll be teaching you. It's a eye opener. Basically, it's a completely an eye opener where none of the retailers knows about what is really happening in the world of market. So that's what we teach. From that, we teach them, we ask them to explore the data, and then they will see those information on their own side. Like, it's like after teaching, you'll be going and exploring from your side, and it's not stock specific. The course is on the topic itself, like the base. You can apply the base on any kind of things where you'll get a massive returns on everything. So we have different levels. I show you right from here, the target is there. These are different studies that we do. This is multi levels that we do. So when we know this level is crossed, this will definitely go up. So let's say there are there are different ball game for different things. Like for bank nifty, if you know this is the buy levels, right? We know this is a target. If I buy 2180 call year when it was trading around the year, in 2 days I would have made it triple, 4 times or 5 times of the money of the nifty calls. Okay, if you want to see bank nifty, right? Bank nifty, you just go on bank nifty. After you apply the same thing, it'll tell you where the buying is. The buying is here. Exactly, this is the buying level area. This is the lowest area. From here, it will be selling. But this is the lowest buying area. So that area has started to buy. You get a target of this. So once the target is crossed, the 4,860 is crossed, we get a target of 4,950. These kind of studies that will teach you. That will help you in understanding more about the market. Second thing is we have created lots of indicators, like whatever I teach, right? Marking those in the chart will take lots of time. It takes lots of time in marking the chart. So for that, I developed the system so that you don't need to put your effort into the system to mark those levels. It automatically comes as an indicator. So when you learn the course, you will also get the indicator along with that, so that you can use the indicator and see where the levels are. So that will help you in tracking the market at a fraction of a second. That's the second thing. Third thing, we also teach you options, how to work with options where nobody have taught you. So options, people will be talking about open interest, volumes and those things, right? We don't talk about volumes or anything. We don't talk about open interest, anything. We teach you a simple basic chart action that will help you in capturing big points. So that's what we do in options also. So those kind of things will teach you, and there's a complete package where you will understand more and more about the course, like more and more about the levels. So all these people who were there in the call, right? There are some of my students are there. So when they joined, right, they are had difficulties in finding the exit levels. So and after that, they have now becomes like master like that. So like our friend like Krishna Shah is also my student, but she developed on her own also. So that's a great thing that I developed with the students. So they develop their own skills from there, and then they excel from what we did from the course. So that's what we do. We develop mentors. We develop excellent technical analyst. We don't develop a person who take the course from us and then search for another course from another person. No, we not do that. And second thing is, we don't teach what is there in the book. We don't teach which is available in the market. We don't teach what is there in the YouTube. We don't teach what is there readily available for every retailers can access. So what we did is all did the experimentation by me, all the research and developed by me, and all the research and develop and all the things which I'm teaching you is all purely developed by me. So you don't find it anywhere in the world. If someone is telling you the same content, they may be our students. Other than that, they will not be doing anything. Okay, so this is what we do. You get a complete package of it. You get learnings, you get indicators, you get lifetime access to us. You and also we will help you on the live tradings also. We'll teach you what are the, say, because live trading is a where you will find you can apply your study into the live trading, right? Most of the mentors, we don't give live trading, but we do give live trading where our students will be there in the live calls, where you can also interact with the students and see what kind of studies can be applied on that particular script for taking an entry. That can be done. So you can also mingle with the students. Those kind of things will happen. So this is a complete package. It's not a single or 2 months package. Okay, after 2 months, your course is over, get out from this. No, you will be joining a family. From there, your training will start. So from that is what we do. We make students as a better trader, a better analyst, or a better mentor. So that's what we do. We are not here to make a retail player as a retail player. We're making them an expert. And then after the course, right, you will see the level of drawing in the chart. You'll find it very attractive. because you will see the way people, like you saw other people like the so-called mentors who was publishing their self that they are the best, right? Their charts look so great, na. So once you study from me, your chart looks even more better than so-called the greatest. So that's what we do. We make the chart patterns or chart things, everything beautiful for you. So that's what we do. This is a complete package. It's not a single package, sir. Hope
Thank you
it
very
is
much,
clear.
sir,
Uh,
for these details.
Thank you, Ajjas. Thank you so much. So, any other doubts that you have, please let me know. I had a bad tone, otherwise I would be even more clearer. Okay.
No, sir, I know you since long. You have been associated with an institute in Gurgaon.
Yeah.
I don't want to take the name.
Correct.
And unfortunately, I was the next batch who was supposed to be taught by you, but you left that institute.
Okay.
I
Okay.
hope you know that, sir.
I know that. Thanks. It was unfortunate for me.
So very soon I'll be joining you, sir.
Thank you so
And
much.
anywhere I can find the details that what days you are teaching,
This
what
January.
time you are teaching.
Ajjas, have you completed your course?
I have completed it, sir.
Okay. So, what you learned from the course? Have you got something out of it from the course?
Things were incomplete. I agree, sir.
Okay. So, but you paid from there. Yeah. Did you apply the techniques in the live tradings and see whether you got something out of it?
Yes, something is working. It is not like that nothing is working.
Okay.
Things are lurking,
Okay.
but I uh, want something more. So that is why I'm planning to join you, sir.
Great, sir. So maybe I'll be posting because January batch is completed. Okay, the next batch starts only on March. Okay, sir. So we don't take more number of students. We take only 10 students per batch, not more than that, because we need to give them 100% coaching to the entire team, right? So it's one-on-one with those 10 people. So so they'll be posted like next week. I'll be posting for March batch, so you can join there. But before joining itself, you will get all the access to the videos and everything. You can start learning from the videos. So until your course gets started, like say let's say course is getting started, right? You get the videos up front. You can go and read the videos. You can watch the videos and everything. And once the course start, you can come back again and you can ask whatever doubts that you have in the live, so that you get 2 months well in advance. You can read whatever things you have lots of doubts, so it get clarified during the live session with us. That's what we can do. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Yeah.
So somebody is asking for the package. Means I
Okay.
think so. The money
Uh,
to pay.
so my who's that asking?
Some Chandrasekhar Somewar.
Chandrasekhar, you said you call me, right? Just call me.
Yes.
We'll talk. We'll talk, Chandrasekhar.
Sonavane.
Yeah,
Chandrasekhar.
we can talk, Chandra. You call me, we'll talk. Okay. So basically I'll be sending you a link through Reggie. So Reggie will be the paymaster, because when you pay through Reggie, I have to pay them 5% of it. Okay, 5% of whatever you pay, I need to pay them for the thing, because that is a way where you can pay through credit cards. Otherwise, it will be very, very difficult, right? Transferring from your own money, it will be very difficult. When you do it in credit card, you can convert to EMI and you can see it. That's an option that you have. Okay. So that's where I've just opted. So let's have 5% to them, so that at least you people get an opportunity for paying through credit cards. So another thing. And second thing is, you get your videos there itself, so it will not get vanished from them. You can watch whenever you are there in the Regi app. That's what. Okay. Any
Yes,
final?
sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much. Anything? Any last minute message or anything? Otherwise, we'll get wind up today. Yeah, Dhruv. Yeah, Dhruv. Yeah, yes. Can you help? Where? Yeah, tell me, what is that? I told you now, Concord will be very good about 903. I messaged you also. I told in the call. So Concord, I told Concord, it's going on the upper side. It's taking the support. I told you now, this one. Okay. So it is going on the upper side. We get 903 for sure. 903, there'll be a little bit of resistance will be there. And after 903 cross, we'll get a target of 951. You can hold it. Okay. Okay. When this cross 903, 904, you can be 100% sure that you'll get at least 932. This area, you'll get it. Tata Steel is very good, man. Just keep on adding it. Okay, we have buy level here. Where is that? We had 1 second. Let it come back. So so unless it is crossing above 137, right? You cannot buy it. Okay, 135. It's fine. It is if it crosses above 136 and 136.50. Tata Steel is good for 142. Okay, until then it's a little bit difficult because it created a big candle on this day. So that is where the biggest level is there. So don't worry. This will be getting a support at 136.7 and after that it'll hit 142. Just hold it for some more time. But the trend is a little bit on the downside. It has to cross this 137, this V shape, W shape, right? It has to break this. Then it will move up to 139 and 140. Okay. What will be the stop loss? You can have a stop somewhere here, this area. This area is 132, 132.7. You can have a stop. Not more than that. 132.7, 132.75. It will be a very good support for that. Okay. Concord, Concord stop. It's very deep stop loss, man. It has to try to see whether it's a big stop loss for you, man. It's 923, right? 50 points is a stop loss. He's already missed the move. So you have to wait for somewhere around 886 will be your stop loss. 886 will be your stop loss. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. We'll keep you posted on next week stock selection. Until then, bye for everyone. Take care. God bless you, everyone. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.